This is Trade at Power with Tradefada. On today's episode, we're taking a brief look at the world's most prominent cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency launched in January 2009. It follows the ideas set out in a white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto. The identity of the person or persons who created this technology is still a mystery. Bitcoin is primarily used as a store of value. Bitcoin offers the promise of lower transaction fees than the traditional online payment mechanisms. Unlike government-issued currencies, it is operated by a decentralized authority. Bitcoin has a total supply of 21 million coins. All Bitcoin transactions are verified by a massive amount of computing power. Unlike fiat or physical currency, Bitcoin is created, traded, and stored with the use of a decentralized ledger system known as a blockchain. Hope you enjoyed this video. To learn more, click the link in the description below.